Kawaya ia kalo. Tinggal mai kuka. Kalo nga mai mama. Uy, kalo nga sa skin.
Oma. Lucky. Lucky. Sawa kang le mele sei. Oh, papekan kira sei.
Yeah, this was our surprise trip to Samoa, just to surprise my brother and his family with my son Lucky. But you heard I was calling him to come help video what we did, the only. But I was told by my other nieces that he was hiding because he didn't want to come out to watch how done was done. He was scared and he felt sorry for the pig. So that's how we cook our food back home.
This is how we bake
they come out like big. Yeah, that's how we bake our food. The outdoor kitchen with all the hot rocks.
You wanna bake taro?
It's yum with the food. Always come out really nice and tasty. More tastier. Yeah, so I explained to him about the pork we buy from the stores, from the shop. They killed the pig like in different ways, but they kill it too, the pigs. Yeah, but I don't eat pork. So, but this is the pig that my niece came to visit me, and they brought the size 2 pig. That's a really nice size. But I didn't have a piece of pork because I don't eat pork. It's everyone in my family enjoy the pork, the pig, but I didn't because I don't eat pork. Yeah. My son had a little bit of it, but the first thing he kept staring at the pig. And so it's okay. It's like you're eating a piece of pork from the shops in Australia. Yeah.
What?